Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can design apps for your client using AI. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to build a complete mobile app design using AI in just a minute. So if you're a freelancer or maybe you run an agency and want to design apps for your client faster, then this video is for you. Because by the end of this, you will be able to create apps like these fully designed using AI. So let's get started. So first step is getting the right prompt. What I did is I just go to ChatGPT and gave it a simple instructions. You can see I just gave it simple instruction, give me a prompt to design a mobile app which user can track their spending. And in return, it give me detailed prompt. Now you can see this is the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Now, if you don't want to go that deep, you can keep it simple. You can just say something like create a banking app UI or design a wallet app and it still work. But if you want professional results, you should always give a detailed prompt. For example, you can say design a modern SaaS level UI for a personal finance tracking app. Then I define the style, number of screen, and the final output I want. That's the key. Now, once you have that prompt, we can move to the AI builder. The tool I'm using is called Sleek Design. I will put link of this tool in description box below. You can try it for free. What I like about this tool is it is very fast. Also, you can start with templates. Let me just show you there are a number of templates available. For that, you just need to go on the template section. Here you can find that, just click on it and you will find templates like food apps, to-do list apps, meditations apps and lot of other app here. Just click on any app you like and you can create from that or remix from that too. But if you want to create app from scratch that we are going to do, let me show you how you can do it. First, just open the main dashboard here by clicking this Sleek Design icon. Then we will just paste this prompt that I just showed you. It has all the details that is required like number of screens, the features we want. On the right side, you will see the app preview and on the left side, you will see all the prompt box, theme and everything else. Currently, you can see it's analyzing our request. One more important thing, you can even upload UI reference if you have something specific in mind. Now it's currently thinking about all the process, planning how many screens we want. We have also lots of other options available that we can explore later. Now it started to creating our first screen, which is like dashboard screen. It shows our total balance, recent transaction, and all the other features we requested in our dashboard screen. So you can even like explain in a normal prompt. If you don't want that long prompt, you can just describe your app idea in a normal prompt and it will create that for you. Just describe the screens you want and the color theme and it will create that for you. Now it's currently creating the second screen, which is expense list. Just like that, it will create all the 5 screens that we ask it to create. Now you can see we have 4 screens ready, and just like that, our whole screen is ready too. Now the next part, if you want to make any modification to these screens, you can just do it in a single click. On the left side, if you see you have a prompt box, just give it a prompt and it will make changes for you. Currently you can see we have the design highlights available here. Now I will give it a prompt like I need to add dark theme to this website. I will just say add dark theme here. Now if you see, I just sent this prompt and within a second it implemented the dark theme, and now it's currently redesigning the whole interface and the whole text and everything, so our theme can match with the design too. Now you can see it started building that too. Now it will like take around 2 or 3 minutes or less than that and it will create complete dark theme here. Now if you want to make any other changes, you can just click on the screen and you can make changes from that too. Like I just click on financial insights and I can just rewrite here like I just replaced with financial overview. If you want to add some feature, like I will just click here, I want to add a filter transaction option, so I will just write add a filter transaction option too. We already have that, but just to show you how you can add that, just give it a prompt here and it will automatically add. Just mark that part you want to make changes to and it will fix that too. If you want to change some color or if you have some issues, just describe the AI and it will fix that for you. Now you can see we have the option to filter transactions. You can copy this code to Figma, you can download this code too. Let me show you how you can do that too. But if you don't like the changes, you can just revert the changes back. Now let me show you how you can download the code. You have option to download the code in HTML or React. Just select your preferred language and click on download and you can download the entire zip file. And if you want complete code like for all screens, just click on the export button and from there you can download it too. And just like this, you can also preview the app. I will also show you how you can download the complete code for all screens. So let me just show you like how you can preview it. You get a preview option. If you click on that, you can see all screens and test it first before sharing with your client. Like you can also enter some amounts and select some options and you have complete access here. Now let's come to the important part. If you want to share this with your clients or if you want to build this using a vibe coding tool, how you can do that, just click on the export option and you get a AI prompt that you can copy and go to any AI or vibe coding tool like a0.dev or maybe the anything Cloud Code, anything you use. Like I use Cloud, so I will just copy this prompt and I will go back to Cloud and will paste this prompt, and Cloud will create a same app for me that you are seeing here. So I will just go to Cloud here and I will paste this prompt that Sleek Design give me, and I will just send it. And within a couple of minutes, it will create the app from scratch. But anyways, you also get a source code of this design, so you can directly implement it too. Or we have the complete externals builders here that you can connect. Now you can see I just click on the export code and we have downloaded the complete zip code. And if you want to share this website with your clients, just click on the share button and you can enable the public view, and you can share this link with your friends or your clients and they can give feedback to you, so you can make changes accordingly. We have all the components available here. Now let's come to the another part. You can see we have designed our app completely. Now we can explore other features. You can also connect your Sleek projects with AI agents. Let me just show you how. For that, we will just go to the Sleek dashboard again, and from here you will have an option to connect that. Just click on the API keys button here, and from here you can like create a new API key. You can connect your Sleek projects with AI agents like OpenCloud, Cloud Code, and the cursor. Just create the API key from here, and you are done. Also, if you want to see your uses of your projects, just click on the uses button, and from here you can see complete uses. Now comes to the pricing plan, it starts from free too. If you want to just explore the platform and test how the things work, you can go with the free plan. Then we have the starter plan of $14 and so on, like other plan available. So you can check that out. That's all for today's video. I will meet you in the next one.